Yeah, but we don't allow people to come in our property and film things.
What was your reason for trespassing? Can I ask?
Well, because you're filming.
Okay, so you're saying that a First Amendment protected activity is why you asked me to leave?
No.
Maximillionaire here. What we are about to see is a First Amendment auditor get illegally detained, unconstitutionally searched, and then trespassed off of public property for filming the police.
They're not, making it, going out of their way to come talk to me. They're not, they seen me and let each other know I was here, but they're not going out of their way to bother me, so I'm going to go about my way here in a second. Not exactly sure what they're doing, but looks a little suspicious. Yeah, so this is Dayton Police, Dayton, Ohio. I'm at the 1st District Police Station. I'm about to leave. They don't seem to be bothered by me, so we got another officer stepping out giving me funny looks. He's gonna come talk to me, it looks like. How's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm alright.
What are you up to?
Just taking pictures.
Okay, well you're not allowed to be filming on this property.
Why not?
Because it's
This is public property, sir.
Okay.
I understand I'm not allowed back there.
Okay. You have some ID on you, sir?
No.
You don't have any ID?
No, sir. Have I broken any laws? I'm just a journalist collecting content for a story.
Okay. Well, the problem is we don't like people filming our personal license plates of our cars.
I didn't do any of that.
Okay, well you're here filming our parking lot. All
No, it's our parking lot. Have I broken any laws?
150. I'll be F5 150.
I was actually wanting a complaint for him, but there's no way to get a hold of anybody up here.
Okay. I'm in D1. So, the problem is we don't allow people to come into our parking lot and film us just for safety reasons.
I'm not in your parking lot.
Yes, you are, sir.
I'm in the public location. This guy's giving me a hard time.
Well, sir, this belongs to the police department.
Yeah, it belongs to the people, sir.
It belongs to the police department. Do you have some ID on you, sir?
Have I broken any laws?
We're going to trespass you from this property.
You're going to trespass me?
Mm-hmm.
You realize this is open to the public, right?
But
It's not like I jumped your fence.
Yeah, but we don't allow people to come in our property and film things. Yeah, but we don't allow people to come in our property and film things. So
I'm not in a restricted area, sir.
well, I'm telling you, this is what we're going to do. If you would like to go down and challenge it, you can. But right now, I need your ID.
Are you asking me to leave?
No, I'm asking.
I will leave.
No, I'm asking you for ID.
For what reason?
So I can document that you're being trespassed.
I'm being trespassed. So when you say I'm being trespassed, I have to be given the opportunity to step away and leave.
No, we can trespass you.
Yeah, you can, but you have to give me the opportunity to leave. Yes, you do.
Sir.
Huh. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought that Ohio Revised Code Section 2911.21, criminal trespass, requires that you be on the land or premises of another and negligently fail or refuse to leave upon being notified by signage, post in a conspicuous place, or otherwise being notified to do so by the owner or occupant or the agent or servant of either. That kind of sounds like you do have to be given an opportunity to leave before you are guilty of criminal trespassing.
Sir, are you going to give me your ID?
I don't think I'm lawfully ordered.
Okay, sir, I'll give you one more chance. Are you going to give me your ID or I'm going to arrest you?
You're saying I'm lawfully ordered? Okay. I'll give you my name and my date of birth. I'm not obligated to give you my ID.
Yes, you are.
No. Do you know any? Who's ranking here? Who's the ranking officer?
Okay, you can put down the camera and everything. Do you have anything on you? I need
I did not refuse. I was gonna give you my name. Please don't go in my pockets. I do not consent to any searches.
What's your social media?
Dude, you're not allowed going in my pocket. I'm not resisting. Please don't beat me up or nothing.
Nobody's gonna beat you up.
But why is this going on?
Why is it going on? Why
Exactly. Police accountability. Look what you guys are doing to me. You're violating my rights right now. That's what.
Violating your rights.
Yes, you
Just
are.
get your ID out.
Yeah, you just violated my rights. That's exactly what you did.
I have to verify who you
No,
are.
you cannot do that.
Mr. Wilson, do you still live in Pataska?
It doesn't matter.
Here's your wall back.
Fuck out of here. Oh, this is bullcrap. Can you hand me my camera, please?
No.
Why not?
When you are done, you can have your camera back.
I shouldn't be held up anyways.
So what we're going to do is we're going to run your information.
I don't care.
And then, that's fine.
You just violated my rights. What's your name?
My name's Sergeant Beans.
Sergeant? You're a sergeant? And you're a joke like that? Damn. Crazy, man. Treat people like this?
Sir, you're the one that came onto our property.
This is public property, our property. We pay for it, everyone. This is not your property.
You live in the city of Dayton, sir?
It doesn't matter. You still get money from my taxes, regardless. Federal grants, yes. You don't know very much to be a sergeant.
Okay. That is your opinion, sir.
No, it's the truth. I can see how today's going to go. It's going to be fun. And I hope you know you just violated my rights.
Okay, that's very nice, sir. You can go down and file a complaint.
You did not give me the opportunity to leave the property. You know trespass law.
Sir, I asked you to leave.
No, you didn't.
Leave.
I just asked you.
Well, sir, I also told you that we're going to trespass you. We don't have to give you the opportunity.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. It's in the law. It's specifically in the law.
Okay. That is your
2821. You know all the laws, so
2821.
is that what it is?
Yeah.
29. My bad. 29. You know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
This is bullcrap, man.
You're the one that tells me you know the law, so.
You're the one that's supposed to know the laws, though. You just violated my rights. Who's this? The chief?
No. You want to step out so we can get the parking lot?
He can park just fine. You one of the tyrants too? You all tyrants? It looks like it. So I need my camera.
Okay. Once we are done with you, you can have your camera back and you'll be free to leave.
I should have been free to leave to begin with. You had no reason to tell me to leave. What was your reason for trespassing me? Can I ask?
Well, because you're filming.
Okay, so you're saying that a First Amendment protected activity is why you asked me to leave?
No, because you're on the property doing it.
Public property.
If you were in public property, it would be out there.
This is public. This is open to the public. That's why it says right there, no trespassing, authorized personnel only. Obviously, I know not to go there. Where do you see a sign saying this is open to the public?
But that's why I came out and told you you're not allowed to be filming on this property. But that's why I came out and told you you're not allowed to be filming on this property.
Okay, you didn't ask me to leave. You never asked me to leave. It's on video.
Which is fine.
Yeah, that's fine. It is. This is bullcrap, man. So you were going to arrest me if I didn't have my ID on me?
Yeah, if you failed to identify yourself.
I tried to identify myself. You wouldn't allow me. And you illegally did a search. The Terry v. Ohio pat down is a pat down for weapons, not go in my pocket.
Okay, sir, you can go file a complaint on that.
Oh, I will. There's going to be a lot of complaints from a lot of people all across the country.
Okay.
All right. It's crazy, man. I knew there was a reason why people told me to come to Dayton. Look at how corrupt you guys are. Looked like you were back to doing some suspicious Well, you wasn't. You was inside. They looked like they were doing some pretty suspicious stuff. Moving around big duffel bags everywhere, pulling out assault rifles. Wonder what's in those bags. Oh, this is ridiculous, man. You get paid to violate people's rights? Do you know the identify law at all? Where it says you can give your name, your date of birth, or your address. Do you know that at all? I don't have to show you my ID at all. Or you forcibly took it out of my pocket. By threat of violence, right? It don't take this long to run someone's name. It takes about 2-3 minutes maybe. So you're saying no public is allowed in here, right? That's what you're saying? You don't speak?
I'm not going to sit here and argue.
We're not arguing. Is it or is it not?
Sir, we're going to get your ID back in a minute and you'll be free to leave.
I know that.
I'm not going to sit here and argue.
I know I'll be free to leave, but is it open to the public or it's not?
You can go file your complaints with whoever you want.
It's not about a complaint. You don't seem to understand, comprehend simple stuff. Is it public or not? Can someone come here and ask for your help? It says right there, emergency phone. Pick up the phone to Central Station. That means the public would have to step on this property to go use that phone.
Sir, what is your emergency?
I didn't say I had an emergency.
Okay, that's what...
I have business here.
What's your business?
Filming public officials
Okay.
in a public capacity, and look what you do. You automatically came over here to harass me. I need that officer's name over there too, since he was in there listening to my information. You know his name? The officer that walked away. Sir, do you know that officer's name since he was sitting there listening to my information? I mean, of course, you don't have to give it to me, but...
Your ID. Yeah, I do know his name.
What's his name?
Okay.
I need your name and badge number too.
My badge number.
You can't just walk away, give me your name.
Okay, you can have your...
I'm going to leave, but I need their names.
His name is Officer Carson.
How do you spell that? Are you saying I gotta leave?
Yes, I am.
I have to leave.
Yes,
Will I be trespassed?
you are trespassing.
I am trespassed?
You are not allowed back on this property unless you have an emergency.
Alright. And your name's Bean? B-E-A-N-E. Sweet. Thanks for being a thug. Yeah, we got these officers that just forcibly ID'd me. Yeah, I'm a dumbass and had my ID.
Now, this is what's so great about America. Now it's your choice. Each and every one of you, individually, gets to decide whether or not you wish to seek redress of your grievances from your government. And it's up to you how you do that.